Okay, let's try to solve this question. The constant C in Chorinov's rule, C here, is given as 3 seconds per millimeter square, and it is used to produce a cylindrical cast with a diameter of 50 millimeters and a height of 125 millimeters. You need to estimate the time for casting to fully solidify. Okay, so essentially the question is asking us to find the solidification time. So let's quickly put down the formula for solidification time. Ts, which is solidification time, is equal to Chorinov's constant multiplied by the volume of the mold or the cast part divided by the surface area of the part to the power of n. If n is not given to us, then n can be taken as 2. C in this case is already provided to us, and it is 3 seconds per millimeter square. What we don't know is the volume, and we don't know the surface area. Okay, now this shape that we have is a cylinder. Okay, let's quickly just sketch the shape here, and the height of the cylinder is 125 millimeters, and the diameter of the cylinder is 50 millimeters, which means I could also say that the radius is 25 millimeters, 5 millimeters. Okay, now in order to solve this, I need to find the volume and the surface area first. So let's quickly find the volume. The volume of the cylinder or any cylinder is given as pi r squared times h. Okay, and in our case, the volume is simply pi times 25 squared times h. You can also use diameter. Then the formula will be 2 pi over 4d squared times height. Okay, sorry, yeah, pi over 4d squared height will be the formula in that case. But going with the radius here, then the volume we calculate comes to 2.454 times 10 to the power 5 millimeters cubed. Okay, so this is the volume I get. Now the surface area of a cylinder is very simply given as 2 pi r squared, given there are two circular faces, plus the curved surface, which is 2 pi r h. Okay, so if we plug the values in here, 2 times pi, the r is 25 squared plus 2 times pi times 25 times 125. We get the total value as 23,560 millimeters squared. Yes, since this is area, it is in square. I notice that I have left both the volume and the surface area in millimeters because the mode constant was given to me in millimeters, so I know that later on when I have to cancel, things become very easy for me. So now I apply the same formula here. Say for example, I say Ts is equal to C in this case. Okay, let's put the formula down here again. Volume over surface area to the power of 2, O, which is basically N, which is essentially equal to 3 seconds per millimeter squared multiplied by 2.454 times 10 to the power of 5 millimeters cubed over 23,560 millimeters squared to the power of 2. Okay. Now whatever I get here, these millimeters will cancel, and when it is squared, it will become a millimeter squared on top. It will obviously cancel with this millimeter. So the final result will be given in seconds, and then the final solution that we get comes to 325 seconds. and that is your solution. If you want to give it in minutes, then you can obviously divide this by you can obviously go ahead and you can divide this by 60 and you'll get your answer in minutes.